Today we are checking out an absolutely show-stopping Pontiac. This is a very rare 1972 Pontiac Firebird Formula 400. And quality-wise, they don't get much nicer than this one. Beautiful paint. Numbers matching 400. A lot of neat factory options with this one as well. Factory air conditioning, factory power windows. This is the numbers matching 400 4-barrel. Runs beautiful.
You just don't see these anywhere, do you?
No, and you don't see them to this quality either. Yeah. You know, you look underneath the hood, everything's just proper.
Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the 20 undercarriage photos as well. Beautifully painted black underneath. Just a super, super nice numbers matching rare 72 formula.
Yeah. Paint's beautiful on it. Inner fenders, exterior of the car, all very nice.
And amazing. I love the look.
And it looks like
formula.
the correct hood too, with the inserts for red.
And you can tell they pulled the fenders and front nose, doors, trunk lid, hood. Everything was painted piece by piece off the car. I just noticed it here. There is a little hairline crack in this fiberglass paint right here, just very little. And what a cool car to have that front end and hood and then have a hood tack on it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
They only made 5,000 formulas in 72 total.
Yep.
And then when they break it down to 400 and stuff, I don't know how far those numbers break down. But a rare car, 72, you know, anything GM 72 is just...
strike here.
Yeah, yep.
Even the emblem, I mean, this is the first time I've ever had a 72, so just look at even the emblem, the Formula 400 with that. You just don't, so used to seeing the later 75, 6s, 7s, 8s, 9s, 80s. You just don't see these.
The only thing with this is, with these hoods, the couple we've had in the past years ago, they were the same way, is these hoods tend to stick up a little bit.
You're not going to change that. I mean, that's just how they were, you know, from the factory.
Yeah. Got the PMD Rallies. Beautiful paint. Love the vinyl top. That's in beautiful condition as well.
The front nose is in gorgeous shape too. Most of the time they'd crack.
Body's laser straight. Even like the small things, the chrome, the marker lights, exhaust tips, all that's just super crisp. Spoiler lines up perfectly.
While you're back there, before we go inside, I'll just pop this trunk quick for you. Look at that. I mean, it just tells you everything you want to know about the quality of the restoration. Correct clip in here.
I did put on our website pictures of the original, or pictures of the dealer invoice and build sheet.
The only thing that's really different is this was a yellow car from the factory, right? They changed it to red, but other than that, yellow car, black interior, power windows, just exactly like it came.
Beautiful door jamb paint. Corner of the door is awesome.
I don't blame them for changing the color. I much like the red a lot better anyway.
Interior's beautiful, back seat's very nice. Headliner's nice and tight. Wood grain is in beautiful shape too.
Multiple show winner. The previous owner had pictures with trophy after trophy with this car. And you can see why. The condition's gorgeous and you just don't see them at car shows, car cruises, auctions, nothing.
Just kind of went above and beyond on the restoration. Driver's side's laser straight as well.
I need to point this out, Dalton. It's still shinier than heck, but it's got 3 little scratches right here in the bumper. They're not surface rust or anything like that, but.
Too bad our sun went away today too. I think this one was a little brighter earlier.
We're heading out of town for a few days, so we wanted to make sure we got this on, but otherwise a nice sunny day would have been a better day for pictures.
I like the paint on this, especially when it's a little brighter out. Just still, even right now, it just still looks wet almost, you know? Yep. Just excellent shine on it.
I like that they left the Pontiac Formula side marker molding on it too. You know what I mean? The door edge guard molding. So I like that a lot.
Door fits great. I did notice something that we'll have to order though. We lost a cap on our PMD Rally.
Oh, nice. How'd that happen?
I don't know. Maybe when they're
Now there just looks like it must be a little bolt in the back side.
So we'll get a new cap order for that wheel. Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Looks like when they did the restoration, they did all new rubbers and everything on it. Corners of the doors are rust free.
Door panel's beautiful. Just even the condition of the steering wheel, all the wood grain in the dash, it's just, they don't get much nicer. Really cool car.
Let's drive it. All right. As far as our AC works, right?
Yep, that was cold. Upgraded the radio, something that fits in the factory spot, but it's got aux, AM, FM, all that good stuff, and that does work.
Yep. There's a heater fan. Gas gauge works. We filled it up. That's on full.
Gas gauge works.
Hood tack works great. Idling about 900 RPMs right now. Power windows work. Wipers are great. Horn works. Oil pressure gauge works. We're way at 70 pounds, and it's, as far as the temp goes, it's running about 130 right now.
Car windows work really fast too.
I just love the hood tack.
Yeah.
You know, I've never seen one on a Firebird.
No.
Except for the 67. It's the only year I've ever seen.
Yeah, these just, well, you already mentioned it, but the last one we had was like an orange one years and years ago, and wasn't anything in this condition. But I just love these cars. I love the early second gen Camaros too, but these, you know, same kind of body style, but just it's more unique.
I mean, obviously the guy built it to drive, but I mean, this is a trailer queen car when it was built. I mean, everything's worked perfectly and everything's in great shape. This one came in so clean. I hate to tell you guys this, but we haven't even checked it in yet. So It's going into check-in. We're going to leave for about 4 days here, so we're going to check it all in and everything. It was so clean when it came in. We gave it a good clean up and put it on there.
But do you know the motor's numbers matching, and we'll get the training numbers off too when we check it in. But just a beaut. But I would imagine pretty rare, being the way that it's optioned to with the factory air and power windows, you know, on an already low production, you know, number of formulas.
Oh, exactly.
Great power.
It runs good. Like I said, we haven't touched it yet. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, this is straight off the trailer, one wash. Transmission works good. There's your steering. That's 80, 85 mile an hour. Perfectly going down the road. Look at that.
No rattles, vibrations, nothing.
There's a high-speed
feels
braking.
awesome.
We haven't even touched them yet. Nice and straight. It's a great car. We'll go through the gears so you guys can hear how the transmission shifts.
Downshifted there to low.
Oil pressure is still great. Temps up to 150. Oil pressure is still at 65 at a low idle. Really good firm shift. And that tranny is spot on.
Yeah. Awesome car. Just sweet. Check this one out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Next guy's going to absolutely love it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.